Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi unable to join network on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, simple fixes here. If other devices are connecting fine, while the router might still have an IP address or an active IP address conflict assigned to your specific iPhone. So what you'll do to fix that, go ahead and restart the router or modem, restart it. And once that's done, check if it works. Just try to reconnect. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your control center right here. Open up the network section. Network section, and toggle on airplane mode right here. Turn it on, and once it's turned on, wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. And once that's done, turn it back off again. I can't do it because I'm currently screen mirroring. Okay, so turn it on. Once turned on, wait for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back off. Once done, go back to Wi-Fi, reconnect to the Wi-Fi connection, and then check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, now in this section, just tap on Wi-Fi settings, and then you'll be able to see the network. I'll tap on the information icon, just like so. Now, just basically forget it, okay? You have the forget this network option. So tap on forget. There you go, and wait for it to reload. And then once it reloads, go ahead and try to reconnect. From here, enter the password, and after that, you should be good to go. That's how simple it is to fix Wi-Fi and able to join network on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.